Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to make this super cute and very pretty miniature bookshelf fridge magnet, which is made using ice cream sticks or popsicle sticks. And can you see I have added lots of books, and these are all made using paper. You can also make it as a showpiece, or you can use this as the fridge magnet. So here I have added books, pen stand, photo frame, flower pot, which are made using papers and paper quilling strips. Isn't it looking very adorable? So without any delay, let's get started. Here I am taking this ice cream stick, which is having 11 centimeter height and 0.8 centimeter width. Now I'm just chopping it from one corner to make it flat, and then I'm just attaching total 7 these kind of sticks with each other to create the base of the bookshelf. So this is done. Allow it to dry completely for a few minutes. Then I am taking 3 more small sticks which I have cut according to the width of the base, and just giving the support from back side so that all these sticks will be together. Allow it to dry. Then it's dried, and in the front I am going to add some more sticks to create the shelf. So width is 6.5 centimeter now, and here I have attached 2 more sticks which is having same length, and added 2 sticks for both the sides like this. It will come from bottom to towards the upward to create the shelf look. So we need some more sticks which is having 6.1 centimeter height, and I am going to join 2 sticks together to divide the shelf in partitions. So I have attached 2 sticks, and in this way we need total 3 pairs. Now it's time to arrange everything and construct the bookshelf. So to attach these sticks I am here taking strong adhesive. You can use B6000 glue or Fevikwik or Fevibond. Fevicol will also work, or any school glue, but it will take little time, so I would suggest to use any strong adhesive. You can also use glue gun. So I'm just dividing my bookshelf in 3 equal parts. If you want, you can add more divisions to add more shelves, but according to the height of my ice cream stick, I think 3 partitions will be sufficient. So this is done, looking very pretty. Now I'm just coloring the inner part of the shelf using beige color. Here I'm using acrylic color. You can also use chalk paints. So just matching to the ice cream stick, I am coloring with beige. And if you don't want to color it, you can keep it as it is, but just to uniform the color combination completely, I am covering it with the same color combination. Then from outer side I am using dark brown color. and this is done. Allow it to dry. Then here I am taking 3.5 by 3 centimeter light green color cardstock, just folding it from center. So I am showing you how to make book here. So we need total 6 these kind of folds to create one book. Now I am joining all these pages together. And also adding little glue inside each page so that it will get compact in one place when we will attach inside the bookshelf. And just to add the cover from outer side, here I am taking this beautiful pattern paper by Dress My Craft, and I have cut the same length of the pattern paper as well. So sticking this outer cover on the book. All the supply links are given in description box. If you want to purchase anything, you can go to those links. So the super cute book is ready. It's looking very adorable. And with the similar method, I have prepared some more books with different color combinations, with different length, height and width. So you can create as many you want, which can fit perfectly inside your bookshelf. So this is done. Then it's time to attach all the books. So I am using my second and third shelf to arrange all my books. Adding one cute diary in this corner. Then in the bottom I am adding some books vertically and some horizontally. And at the end I'll add one book slanted, so it will give the nice natural look. So pretty, isn't it? Then here I am taking 22 by 1 centimeter brown color strip, just wrapping it around my marker and creating the ring. Here I am showing you how to make small pen stand which will come on the top shelf, just securing the end using glue, and then I am sticking this pen stand in one corner of the shelf. Like this, so cute. Then to create pen, here I am taking toothpick. I have colored the corner of toothpick using black marker, and the remaining portion I am coloring with blue and orange acrylics to create different colors of pens or pencils. Like this, and then sticking these pens and markers inside the pen stand. Looking very realistic, isn't it? Then to create the flower pot, here I am taking 3 strips of white color in 3 mm, just making one tight coil dome. like this. Then to create the top part of the pot, here I am taking 2 strips of white color in 3mm and wrapping it around my quilling tool and creating one ring dome. I'm just opening this ring dome little bit more using my fingers because I need little more depth. And then we can join these both parts together. So before that we have to add glue inside both the shapes and then I'll stick with each other. So the flower pot is ready, allow it to dry completely. And then I am just decorating the middle border using black marker. I am here creating zigzag lines and some dots to just decorate it. And this is done. Then to create small flowers, here I am taking 1/4 strip of yellow color in 5mm, folding it from center, and I'll start making some fringes. Then I am taking my quilling tool and making the fringe flower. Opening the fringes and passing one white color wire pollen through this. So just add a little glue and passing the pollen, and the super cute flower is ready. With the similar method I have created some more flowers. Now taking back the flower pot, add little glue inside the pot and start arranging all the flowers. Like this. So flower pot is ready. Now I'm just sticking it on another corner of the bookshelf. Like this. And then I have already prepared one small photo frame. I have just taken one small printout of birds and stuck it on light green cardstock, and on backside I have created one small stand. If you want, you can also print the picture of you and your family or friends or with your dad using printer and just create one small photo frame like this. It will just enhance the beauty of the photo frame, and it will also give the personal touch. Now I'm adding one cute sentiment inside the shelf: live, laugh and love. So just creating the sentiment on yellow cardstock. Cutting the rectangular shape, erase the pencil work. Like this. Then I am sticking it on gold mirror cardstock to give nice golden border around this sentiment. Just quickly trimming the excess border. And cleaning the bottom on which I have added some extra glue, so wiping it out immediately using wet brush so that the work will look neat and clean. And then I am sticking the sentiment inside the bookshelf on the small diary. So pretty. Then it's time to attach the magnet on back side. So here I am taking one strong magnet and using glue I am attaching it. Allow it to dry. It's dried and now it's ready to use. So you can give this in upcoming Father's Day to your dad if he is book lover, or you can also give it to any of your friend who love to write the books, or your teacher. And you can also add small lamp or mobile stand or any decorative thing inside the bookshelf, whatever you like. So this is looking very pretty and I'm just loving the outcome so much. You can also use this as the decorative piece if you don't want to convert it into fridge magnet. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. I'm waiting for your comments and suggestions. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.